My name is Karen Gile. Well, I fell, dislocated my right elbow pretty darn good. My husband and I had a vacation scheduled for Italy 5 days after I had fallen, and I wanted to make sure that I was going to make the trip. I had to get in to see a doctor within 48 hours after dislocating my elbow. I did not know who to call. My friend Cheryl recommended Louisville Arm and Hand because she'd been here. So I called and pleaded and told them, I'm going to Italy in 5 days. I really need to get in to see a doctor. And they worked their magic and got me in to see Dr. Blackburn. So I came back 2 weeks later, came downtown to KORT, saw Dr. Blackburn. He examined me, said, okay, go start your physical therapy. So I came over here to see Barb. Barb got me started on physical therapy because they kept telling me, you're not going to gain all of your movement back. You're going to lose 10% extension and 10% flexibility. And I kept saying, okay. And they kept saying, no, we're serious. You're going to lose 10% of each way. And I said, okay. But then I thought, I don't think so. I wasn't happy with that. So I worked my arm even harder at home, making sure that I practiced twice, sometimes 3 times a day on bending it and flexing my elbows, flexing my wrist. And they kept seeing more and more progress, and big running question every day when I came into KORT. Barb would say, does your elbow hurt? Oh, it doesn't hurt. That was the joke because it never did. But I had reached all of my goals after 10 weeks of therapy. Was down to, I think we got to 139, 140 is your normal degrees, and we got to 139. And we got to 0 on the straightening, and I could lift 15, 20 pounds. I could use they had to check on my strength. So I had all that in. All the strength I had in that arm, I had in this arm. It was all back. Most definitely I would recommend KORT Downtown. They're great down here.